Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI Polaroid photo with your favorite celebrity. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up gemini.google.com. We're going to use the Gemini AI to generate Polaroid photo. Here you can upload your photos. Click on this plus icon and upload files. And I'm just going to pick random photos from my device. Okay, for my favorite celebrity, I'm going to use this photo, and I'm going to use a photo of Emma Watson. Okay, and then I'm going to add the prompt. Okay, this is the prompt that you can use, and I'll put the prompt on the description after this, and you can submit the prompt and also the photos. And I recommend you to use photos with the same lighting and the clear background because the result will be better. And make sure that the face is clear. Okay, it's still loading guys. Okay, and this is the result. Wow, it's cool. And you can click on this icon to download the photo, and the photo will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's how you can create AI Polaroid photo with your K-pop idol or with your favorite celebrity. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!